Your route is being calculated.
So here we are transiting from Mercedes to Volvo. Nice stump. And I just picked it up 2 days ago. It's a bit hot. This is the startup sequence. I don't have my seat belt and everything is loading on my screen. One thing I noticed is that the tray, which is used to keep the documentation, for some reason it's missing. And I forgotten my second triangle as well. Well, 3 weeks have passed and they've installed me the tray for the documentation and they gave me another triangle, so problem solved. In the meantime, I did some research since I'm completely new to Volvo cars, and I found that they have a very aggressive statement on quality, really raising the bar very high, specifically to exceed our needs and expectation through a very strong customer centricity, which is, as you know, a challenge to move from vendor centricity to customer centricity. So we'll see how that rolls out in practice for us with this car. So far, very happy. Have a few more kilometers on the car, and it seems to be behaving very nicely.